Hello all.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
Good evening.
Regarding for the Modesto, it's a brand name called.
Yes.
So how many years this plant is running?
Sir, we are into the markets for 30 years, last 30 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you explain about your product from starting?
Sir, we have...
So we see the product one by one regarding
this
Modesto.
is a basic universal range. This is a PVC universal mats. And the round in-house. All compounding in-house. Okay. Then we are into
this kind of a basic things actually.
These are the basic universal mats, yes.
Okay. It's supporting for aftermarket.
Aftermarket.
Okay. In shops it is available.
And some tie to vendor we are providing.
Okay.
These mats to one of the company we are providing.
Okay. This is
And
a premier
this is
one.
all the tailor-made mats.
Okay.
This is a luxury one. Scratchless. There's nothing.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. High density XP sheet. With a 100% from Alto to Rolls Royce, we have covered each and every car. And we have
And the BYD also, you are
yes.
it is actually supplying for BYD.
This is a tie to vendor. We cannot disclose the every. No, you can
understand.
You can
Okay,
understand.
I
Yes,
get it.
yes.
You are using for the tire to vendor. Coming to this.
This is the premium range, lower than this.
Okay.
Yes. The fitment is same, quality is also good,
Okay.
but it's for a budgeted customer.
Okay, budget
Yes.
customer.
Yes. This is a basic range.
Basic one.
It's a basic range.
It's kind of noodles mat.
It's a noodle mat. This noodle mat also we have in-house manufactured.
Okay.
This is a TP mat. This is a process is thermoforming. About approx 100 parts.
Basic one, that's it.
Yeah, you can easily place it
Easy place and remove it.
and remove it. Yes.
Like sometimes it is.
This is a type of LLM mat. LLM is lifelong mat,
Okay.
not tear off.
Okay. Comparatively, this to this, if anything is we need to wash, or it is very difficult to wash or something like this.
Yes.
This actually
Yes,
and
it's
clean off.
It's easy to wash. But the premium look these mats give.
But placing is very important. Placing our food. And quality.
And this is also cheap and best. You can show the
This
the honeycomb
this only
structure.
have that one challenge, that if the water will be in case we are in rainy days,
Yes.
if we add the food in that, the water will actually drench it inside. So it takes time to dry.
No, you can put it off and dust
Okay.
it off. Yes.
Okay.
Put it out and dust it off. Yes. It's the carpet range only. You can take either this, I can this,
It's kind
or
of
either
our
this.
home carpet like that.
Yes, it's a type of home.
You have multicolor also.
It's actually a Gucci print. The
Actually,
signature.
yes. Finally, what will happen? Some customers actually dual color they will get. Beads along with that some color tone they are giving
You can
inside.
customize along with.
Based on the they can say. These are a standard product or products, or you can customize
We can customize
based on that volume or
based on the volume. Yes. We are a manufacturer. We need a volume. Manufacturer need a volume.
yes, correct.
And this is our traditional mat, the noodle mat.
It's kind of noodle mat.
Yes, sir. This is just a showpiece, just to do the market.
It's just for example, template.
Dummy piece.
Dummy pieces.
We have some dummies this also. This one is you can easily
This is for bus. They have dummies also to take out all the instead of taking that all the big sheet, they can given for that samples like this. So this reaching the cold store for this range of the product.
We are making this parcel day from the injection molded process. Everyone uses traditional process, that sheet making. But injection molded gives you more strength and a more thickness.
It's a fiber.
Yes. This is our product, microfiber.
Okay.
It's a size is 40 into 40 centimeter.
Okay.
600 GSM.
Okay. 600 GS.
You can feel the quality. It's
Okay.
a 80-20 composition. 20%
Okay.
polyamide.
Okay.
That gives softness.
Okay.
Yes.
These are all microfiber clothing, and this is the horn we have seen there, and this is a door guard.
These are the door edge guards.
Yeah.
The chrome itself is very good quality with a 2 years warranty.
Okay. 2 years warranty.
On
Okay.
chrome item. Yes. It's a chrome.
It is a chrome item. Okay.
Yeah. See.
And warranty in which basis? The chrome base for chrome or?
Yeah, it's a sticker also. This dome also.
Okay. It's kind of for the premier car, or we can adopt this features. Okay. I think most of it is covered, I guess. Okay, sir. Thanks for explaining the product. So please guide for our subscribers in case they have some wholesale marketing.
Yeah.
Or overall, my friends are all most of the working in the OEMs.
Oh, yeah. We can do any mats, any car.
Okay.
We have enough designing thing.
It's completely customizable.
Completely. These all are customized. These are mold made. These are also mold made.
Okay.
You can develop the mold and we can fulfill your any requirement to the
Okay.
any level.
Okay. So please reach any of that interior accessories to Modesto Luxury for Deserve. Thank you.